How to connect Thrustmaster T248 to an Xbox One full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can connect Thrustmaster T248 to Xbox One. So first of all, you need to power off the console. Ensure your Xbox One is turned off before connecting the wheel, and after that you have to connect the USB cable, like plug the USB-C or type a cable 16 from the T248 into a USB-A port on your Xbox One, and after that you have to power on the console. Turn your Xbox One using the power button on the console on the controller. The T248 will automatically calibrate itself once the console is powered on, and the power LED on the T248 will light up when the wheel is properly connected and calibrated. You are now ready to play compatible racing games and on your Xbox One. So let me tell you of course about some important notes, like avoid using USB hubs or extension cords. Connect the wheel directly to the USB port on the console, and if using the Xbox or Series X or S, you try a USB port at the back of the console. And if your T248 is not recognized or malfunction, ensure that the Xbox's quick resume feature is deactivated. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.